Ancient scripts that are shaping the future of AI. What if the future of artificial intelligence was written thousands of years ago? What if the algorithms powering your phone, your computer, your digital world are quietly guided by languages older than civilization itself? Forgotten scripts, lost symbols, ancient logic. Tonight, you'll discover how humanity's oldest writing systems are influencing tomorrow's most powerful AI breakthroughs. The past is rewriting the future. Section 1. The Mystery of Lost Languages. Part 1. Why Ancient Scripts Matter. Since the dawn of writing, humans carved their knowledge into stone. Cuneiform in Mesopotamia, hieroglyphs in Egypt, Ge'ez in Ethiopia, Sanskrit in India, oracles' bones in China. But behind every symbol is something more powerful: thought structure. Ancient languages weren't just communication tools. They were systems of logic, compression, and information design. And for modern AI researchers, these systems are priceless. Because if you want to teach a machine to think, why not learn from the people who first taught the world to think? Part 1b. Lost scripts that refuse to speak. Some languages took centuries to decode. Others resisted completely. Linear A, still untranslated. Rongorongo, no confirmed meaning. Proto-Elamite, undeciphered. Indus script silent for 4,000 years. For humans, decoding them was nearly impossible. The patterns were too complex, too fragmented, too ancient. But for artificial intelligence, they are puzzles perfectly built for machines. This is where history takes a wild turn. Section 2. How AI learns from ancient scripts. Part 2. A pattern recognition. The AI superpower. AI doesn't understand language the way humans do. It sees patterns: frequency, symmetry, repetition, correlation, and ancient scripts with their rigid structures, mathematical rules, and repeated symbols are perfect training material. When AI is fed thousands of inscriptions, it begins to detect symbol clusters, grammatical repetition, sound probabilities, word boundaries, syntactic logic. It does in minutes what once required decades. Part 2b. Sanskrit, a language built like code. Sanskrit stands out in a category of its own. It's one of the only languages with rules precise enough to resemble computer programming. The Paninian grammar system uses algorithms, nested rules, meta-rules, recursive structures. Sound familiar? That's exactly how modern AI interprets language today. Some researchers believe that training AI with Sanskrit structure improves reasoning, consistency, and even error correction. The oldest language, helping build the newest technology. Part 2c. Semitic languages. The power of depth. Languages like Ge'ez and Hebrew aren't just phonetic. They're symbolic. Every letter can hold numerical, cultural, or spiritual layers. For an AI model, this is gold. It teaches machines how to handle multi-layered meaning, compressed information, context dependence. These features are critical for advanced LLMs, trying to compress massive knowledge into tiny tokens. Ancient scripts teach AI how to say more with less. Section 3. Ancient languages. AI is actually decoding. Part 3. A. The Indus Valley script breakthrough. For decades, the Indus script mocked scholars. No Rosetta Stone, no translations, just silence. Then AI came. Machine learning discovered. The script has a grammar-like structure, similar to early Dravidian languages. This doesn't solve the puzzle, but it narrows the path. AI did in weeks what humans couldn't in a century. Part 3b. The Voynich manuscript. No one knows who wrote it, or why, or what it means, but AI identified patterns resembling Hebrew and medieval dialects. It's not proof, but it's a direction, a spark, a possibility. AI is rewriting the boundaries of decipherment. Part 3, C. Babylonian Mathematics Reborn. Scientists fed thousands of ancient Babylonian tablets into AI, and the results shocked everyone. The AI uncovered new mathematical methods, previously unknown formulas, problem-solving patterns ahead of their time. Imagine discovering math that humans invented 3,500 years ago, but forgot. AI brought it back. Section 4. Why tech giants study ancient scripts. Part 4. A. Ancient languages compress information better. Tech companies love ancient scripts because they force efficiency. One symbol can represent a word, a sound, an idea, a number. That's exactly what AI engineers want. Compact meaning. Imagine compressing a whole sentence into one token. Ancient scripts show us how. Part 4. B. Ancient grammatical logic improves AI reasoning. Ancient writers had to encode meaning without modern tools. Their grammar was logic-heavy, rule-based, structured almost like programming. Research shows AI trained on ancient grammar improves reasoning, symbolic logic, pattern prediction, decision-making. The past becomes a blueprint for machine intelligence. Part 4C. Rediscovering lost knowledge equals new innovation. Many ancient civilizations were more advanced than we assume. The Babylonians had trigonometry before Greece. The Egyptians used algebra in architecture. The Maya built astronomical calendars, more precise than some modern systems. AI isn't just learning languages. It's recovering knowledge we didn't know we lost. And tech giants want to use it. Section 5. The future, when history meets technology. Part 5. A. AI models, inspired by ancient thinking. Imagine AI inspired not by Silicon Valley, but by Sumer, Egypt, Aksum, and Vedic India. Imagine neural networks modeled on cuneiform logic trees, hieroglyphic symbol layers, Sanskrit rule recursion, GES semantic compression, Chinese oracle pattern prediction. This isn't science fiction. This research is happening now. The first hybrid ancient-inspired AI models may be only years away. Part 5. B. Machines that understand humanity's origins. When AI understands ancient language, it doesn't just decode symbols. It decodes how humans thought, how they reasoned, how they solved problems, how they saw the universe. The oldest thought patterns become the foundation of the newest intelligence. Humanity's origin story guides humanity's future story. Part 5C. The deep cultural impact. Our ancestors carved their ideas into stone. Today, we carve them into silicon. But the bridge between them is closer than ever. Ancient scripts will influence education, translation, science, computing, cultural preservation. The philosophy of AI itself. We're not just training machines. We're reconnecting with the deepest roots of human intelligence. At the last, thousands of years ago, humans invented writing to preserve their knowledge. Today, artificial intelligence is using that knowledge to invent the future. Ancient scripts once carved into clay are now shaping the code that will define the next era of civilization. The oldest ideas are becoming the newest technology, and this is only the beginning. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next historical deep dive. Because this is only the beginning. Thanks for watching.